Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Joyvin and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be creating this fun, vibrant purple burgundy kind of a look. It is inspired by face charts on one of the Instagram page. The Instagram page is milk1422. I will link the page below. It has beautiful face charts. So I created this look inspired by one of the face charts that was there on his page. It's very fun, it's very bold, very outgoing. It says Valentine Day kind of a look, and it's not for the faint of heart. I've used a few palettes from Juvia's Place and also a little bit of Huda Beauty to create this look. And yeah, without any further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
As always, I'll be starting first with my foundation. So today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Moving on to concealer, so I'll be using a combination of two today. So the first near the inner corner is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. It's in the shade CW03. And the next is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and it's in the shade Medium Tawny. I'll be setting everything in place using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light. Now for bronzer, I'm using this one by The Balm. It's their Take Home the Bronze Bronzer in Thomas. For blush, I'm using this one by Essence Cosmetics. It's called The Blush and it's in the shade Believing. For highlighter, I'm using the one by Becca Cosmetics. It's their Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Vanilla Quartz. These highlighters are quickly becoming one of my favorite highlighters so far. For my eyes today, I'm using several different palettes. So first, I'll be taking a mixture of this brown shade called Fulani from the Masquerade Mini palette by Juvia's Place, and this black shade called Chad from again a Juvia's Place palette. It's the Saharan palette, and I'll be placing it with a very fine detailed brush on the crease of my eyelid. Next, I'll be cutting the crease. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny, the concealer that I used before. And I'll be using a flat end brush and I'll be cutting my crease. So I'll be doing a full cut crease. Next, to fill that area, I'll be using this palette called the Zulu by Juvia's Place, and I'll be taking that vibrant purple shade, and again with another flattened brush I'll be filling the entire area. For the next step, I'm taking a combination again of the previous two brown and black shades that I used, and I'll be using it to fill in my lower lash line. As my inner corner highlight, I'll be using this shade called Giza from the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. Now for a little bit of shimmer, so I'm going to use this Naughty Nude palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm using the shade Flower Power from the palette. It's one of the best shade in the palette, and I'm taking it on the tip of my fingers and applying it all over my eyelid. Now moving on to making the hearts. This is one of the most difficult steps, I'm not going to lie, and I really struggled with it. I first tried doing it with an eyeliner, but my eyeliner skills being exceptional, I just couldn't pull it off. So what I did next is I took the NYX Jumbo pencil. It's the black one and it's in the shade Black Bean, and using a very fine brush I'll be drawing on the hearts, and then I'll be filling it with a silver shade from the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. For my lips, I'm using a combination of NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Transylvania and the Huda Beauty, this is her lip strobe in the shade Shameless. And this is the final look.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the look. If you did, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family so that we have a small family here on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. If you ever recreate this look, then please don't forget to tag me in your recreations. I would love to see them. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, anything at all, please don't forget to mention it in the comment box below. I love reading your comments. And yeah, until next time, I will see ya. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Huh? No, don't put on my face, Zoe. Tabak kai kela ta.